Thank you. See you later. All right. I am going to go on the record in the matter 24 CT 62, State of Wisconsin versus Stephanie Lundekum. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Lundekum fails to appear. This matter was set for a status. She's in the process of getting her driver's license. Part of the deal was if at the next hearing she has it, she would not need to appear. So, Mr. Schmidt, has she provided you a copy of her license?
No.
Amy, can you check just to see if she did receive it?
Bill appears to be revoked and expired.
All right. Mr. Schmidt, what are you requesting?
I'd ask for a warrant.
Court will issue a warrant, $500 cash. Only judge may quash or posting of the cash. She will be provided a new date and time upon posting. Any money that she previously posted in this case is going to be forfeited pursuant to 969.13 of the Wisconsin statutes. We are adjourned. Ms. Erdman, I have Mr. Achterling. We will go on the record. Are you doing this? In the matter 25 CF 43, State of Wisconsin versus Kenneth Achterling. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We have Defense Counsel Michelle Erdman in person. Mr. Achterling appears by video conferencing in custody in Burnett County Jail. We're set today in this matter for a status conference. Ms. Erdman, is there anything that you can update the court with?
Your Honor, I did have a chance to check in with Mr. Achterling prior to court. The DA's office switched to DEET is the discovery platform. I have a DEET account, but apparently I needed to register myself for this account. So I don't have the discovery yet. I think everything's been done now, I believe, to get that set up. I did check in with him about the offer. He is aware that his co-defendant or one of the named co-defendants has filed a four corners motion. His case is beyond that status, so I don't know that we could do that, but at this point the matter's unresolved.
The attorney who filed it did indicate at a previous hearing he was planning to withdraw that because he just missed some things in the complaint.
Yeah, I mean, we haven't filed one, I guess, but I will talk with Mr. Achterling about that as well, just so that we're all tracking. I mean, I think, obviously the concern would be if there was something of merit there that I missed, that would just be ineffective. But if it doesn't come to fruition, I think it's kind of irrelevant.
Yes, and Mr. Schmidt is accurate where he does state that that is what was stated on the record, is that it's going to be withdrawn if it already hasn't been.
Okay.
I think it may have been withdrawn on the record. I can check the minutes. Yeah, I don't see that it was withdrawn on the record at that time. I think the attorney needed to just double check some things to make sure before he withdrew.
Sure.
All right, so we need to set another date and time. Are you looking for, I could do it 30 days out, but if I don't do it, I can't do it 45, I would have to do 60. So it's 30 or 60.
Just knowing his position, I guess 30 if possible. Could we start there?
I can do September 11th in the morning.
Judge, I am out of state that the 11th and 12th. I could do something, or the 10th, 11th, and 12th. I could do something earlier that week or the next week.
And like I said, that's what you get. And the next available date I have is October 9th.
What time do you have available on the 11th, Judge?
On the 11th, I'm pretty open that morning. I would have a 9:30.
Okay, with this being a status conference, I could perhaps zoom in for that.
You can definitely zoom in for that.
Okay, so we'll do 9:30, Judge, just so it doesn't get too far away.
All righty, so September 11th at 9:30. All right, we will see you then. And again, Zoom is approved.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. We are adjourned.
Judge, just real quick, on another matter. So Mr. Domeyer, Anthony Domeyer,
Yes.
is in the jail. I just met with him and have historically been under the impression that if you get the microphone or the ear thing close enough, he can hear you. And I had to type everything. Do you guys have the ability to do, what's that
Real
called?
time?
TT, whatever.
Yeah, well, it's called real time and, well,
I'm wondering if we
really-
could get Mr. Dolmeyer set up so he could
I
view
mean-
some type of typing.
Well, yeah, I don't know if you're asking
You
for
talk
like
about accommodations in the jail?
an actual.
No, for his
interpreter.
hearing.
For the hearing, my court reporter is very, very good at what she does. And I get to see all of the words. Sometimes there are mistakes, but here's the thing, she types like 1,000 minutes,
Yeah, no,
1,000 words a minute.
yeah,
So it doesn't need to be perfect, but
wondering if
she can use that, like you can come and
we
take a
could
look.
put him somewhere where he could see what,
He can use my computer.
okay.
So I'll let him use my computer, but again, it's not,
It's not absolutely
There are
perfect.
some
We wouldn't
errors.
raise issue with, I mean, I think that's better than what we were, if we do that with the hearing piece, I mean, I think we've done what we could, is,
Okay.
I guess, you know what I mean? I just want to make sure he can appreciate what's going on. I didn't realize how bad it was until I just tried to meet with him now.
it must be a lot worse because I remember his case and I remember his hearings and he could hear with the piece and he had a hearing aid before. And now he said he doesn't, or it's not good enough.
I don't know if he had a hearing aid before. I don't remember
Way
him.
back in the day.
Maybe he did, but
He did.
I was
remember.
literally yelling into the, like, I mean, the phone, we had a nice connection in the jail and I was very direct into that and he was just not getting it. So I just want to make sure he can understand what's happening. And I think that'll do it.
Okay, thank you.
We might have to go slow. Do we want to set that for a time where we've got more time? Because I do want
I'm
him to
looking right now and
be able to read
yeah,
what's happening and it took us a while to get through a conversation.
He doesn't know sign language or anything.
I'm not sure if he does or not.
I'm sorry.
If we could get it,
An ASL interpreter.
or whatever sign.
That's a
language.
good idea too. I don't know. I mean, I've never seen him try, but we could ask, I guess.
No, I did. I asked him. He doesn't do sign language.
Okay.
He does nothing.
Okay, that's what I.
And that's the
yeah.
problem. He can only read.
He's just deaf.
Yeah.
I-
And he was deaf before he
I know, I
would
feel,
know how to learn sign language.
I feel like, how do you get through? I've got 2 clients like this and it's just like, how do you get through life? But anyway, do you have enough time that day, Judge? How long do you have? I just
No,
wanna,
I set for an hour.
do you have time on your calendar that you can make it longer
I
or?
cannot on that day, but I can September 4th and we can go from,
I'm supposed to be in a trial, shoot.
and we can go from, oh, you have a trial that day?
Mhm.
Does she need us? Does Amy need us?
No, she's wondering what we're scheduling. And I guess so am I now.
Domeyer is what I'm looking at. The next available date after that would be October 7th, and I could do 9:15 to 11:15. Or October 10th. You have your pick of morning or afternoon.
So on the 7th, I have a trial that's supposed to be settling. So we could grab that block.
Okay, so I can only schedule it from 9:15 to 11:15. So that adds an extra hour.
Well, I mean, what's gonna happen is your honor will speak, he's gonna take time to read it, and he's not a fast reader. So then he'll take time to read it and then probably will,
Okay.
you know, I think it's gonna take a while. So 9:15
Yes.
on the 7th.
And so
Thank
that's
you.
Anthony Domeyer.
Okay. We're
And
just resetting the sentencing hearing.
yes, and it's 20 CF 241.
Got it.
Okay, thank you. All right, Miss Attorney Tilsch, and is the telephone, is that Ms. Maloney?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, yeah, because you're not a criminal anymore. All right, as soon as you're ready, just let me know.
Ready?
We will go on the record in the matter 25 SC 71. Melissa Maloney versus Boardwalk MHC LLC. Appearances are, we have,
All right, let's talk about that. This hearing was a mix of missed appearances, technical hiccups, and some creative problem solving from Judge Mogen to keep cases moving. First up was State v. Stephanie Lundekum, where the defendant failed to appear for a status conference. The deal had been simple. If she got her driver's license back by this date, she wouldn't need to show up. But when District Attorney Kevin Schmidt confirmed there was no proof of reinstatement and the clerk verified her license was still revoked and expired, Judge Mogen issued a $500 cash-only warrant. She noted that if Lundekum posted bond, she'd get a new date, but any previously posted money would be forfeited under Wisconsin statute. Next was State versus Kenneth Achterling, with Michelle Erdman representing and the defendant appearing via video from the Burnett County Jail. Erdman explained she'd run into an issue with the DA's new discovery platform. She had an account but hadn't realized she needed to register it herself to get the case materials. That's now fixed, but the case remains unresolved. They also discussed a four corners motion filed by a co-defendant's attorney, which might be withdrawn due to missed details in the complaint. While it might not directly apply to Achterling's case, Erdman promised to review it with him. After some calendar juggling, they set the 11th of September status conference at 9:30 a.m., with Erdman approved to appear via Zoom. Then came a non-case but important logistical discussion about Anthony Domeyer, an inmate with severe hearing loss. Erdman raised concerns that he could no longer hear well enough even with equipment, forcing her to type out their conversation during a jail visit. Judge Mogen suggested using her court reporter's live transcript feed during hearings so Domeyer could read proceedings in real time. While it wouldn't be perfect, both agreed it would be better than the current setup. They also considered scheduling extra time for his hearings, settling on October 7 from 9:15 to 11:15 a.m., given that he reads slowly and needs to follow along carefully. Overall, the atmosphere was pragmatic with a problem-solving bent. Judge Mogen wasn't shy about issuing a warrant when someone skipped without meeting conditions, but she also showed flexibility, allowing Zoom appearances, adjusting schedules, and finding accommodations for a hearing-impaired defendant. It was a reminder that court isn't just about rulings, it's also about managing the people, technology, and timing that make those rulings possible. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one,